Hi students, welcome back to MAPS e-learning class. Today we shall discuss a question from the topic congruence of triangle. What do you mean by congruent figures? Two figures are said to be congruent if they have same size and same shape. Now let us watch this video. The question is, line L is a bisector of an angle A and B is any point on L. BP and BQ are perpendiculars from B to the arms of angle A. Show that there are two questions. First question, triangle APB congruent to triangle AQB. Second question, BP is equal to BQ. This is the figure. In the figure, there is angle A, that means QAP. And line L is the bisector of angle A, this angle. Clear? Next one, B is any point on L, on the line L. BP and BQ are perpendiculars from B to the arms of angle A. Which are the arms of angle A, AP and AQ. So, BQ and BP are the perpendiculars from B to the arms of A. Now, we have to prove that triangle APB congruent to triangle AQB and BP is equal to BQ. Since L is the bisector of angle A, we can say that these two angles are equal. And BP and BQ are perpendiculars. That means 90 degree. So each of these angles will be equal. Now we have to prove a triangle APB congruent to triangle AQB. Consider, let us prove this. Consider the triangle APB and triangle AQB. In these two triangles, angle QAB is equal to angle PAB. The reason it is given the question that the reason is L is a bisector. L is a bisector of angle A. And angle BPA is equal to angle BQA. BPA is equal to BQA. The reason BP and BQ are perpendiculars. BP and BQ are perpendiculars. Then, which is the third equal part of these two triangles? We can observe that AB, in these two triangles, AB is common. So, we can write AB is equal to BAB common. So, in these two triangles, these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal, and this one is common. So, what can you say about this? These two triangles are congruent. By which criteria? These two angles, and this is the equal side. So, we can say that triangle APB congruent to triangle AQB. By which criteria? AAS criteria. AAS criteria. These two triangles are congruent. We proved the first one. First question, triangle APB congruent to triangle AQB. Now we have to prove that the second question, BP is equal to BQ. Since these two triangles are congruent, APB congruent to AQB, other parts of these two triangles will be equal. Now what we can say about this? Second question, we can say that BP is equal to BQ. The reason is triangle APB congruent to triangle AQB and these two sides are corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Therefore, they are equal. Corresponding parts of, in short, we can write CP, CT. corresponding parts of congruent triangle. I hope all of you understood this question. Thank you.